In this video, I'll show you how you can add the developer tab in your Word document. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up Word, and from in here, if you do not have the developer already, what you can do is you can right click on any of these. So let's say just right click on help. Then you can choose customize the ribbon, and from in here on the right hand side you will see a developer tab. Now make sure developer is blue checked. Press OK, and you now have the developer tab. From in here, you can do the VBA code, you can do macros, you can add some add-ins if you wanna. Press on add-ins, go to the store, and you can download some add-ins. I have, as an example, the QR code, which makes me put a QR code inside my Word. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.